Green horizons.
When hanging plants, start by choosing the right hardware and location. If you're hanging from the ceiling, use sturdy hooks or anchors designed to support the weight of the plant, and ensure you're attaching them to a joist for stability. For wall-mounted plants, use brackets or macrame hangers that fit the style of your space, and consider using command strips for lighter pots. When choosing plants, consider the lighting conditions. Low-light plants like pothos or ferns work well indoors, while sun-loving species like petunias or succulents thrive outdoors. Hanging plants at varying heights adds visual interest, and using multi-tiered plant stands can maximize space and create a lush, cascading effect. Safety is key, so regularly check that hooks and hangers remain secure, and avoid placing heavy plants in high-traffic areas. To add a decorative touch, you can also consider hanging planters with interesting shapes or textures, like ceramic, glass, or metal. Designing a flower stand with metal offers a robust and versatile solution for displaying plants. Design tips for metal flower stands. Choose the right metal. Opt for durable metals like steel or wrought iron. Aluminum can be a lighter alternative, ideal for portability and easier handling. Consider weather-resistant coatings or powder coating for outdoor stands to prevent rust and corrosion. Create a concept. Decide whether your flower stand will be a simple, single-tier structure or a multi-tiered design for greater plant capacity. For multi-tiered designs, stagger the levels to ensure each plant receives adequate sunlight and air circulation. Incorporate unique shapes. Experiment with geometric patterns, such as circles, hexagons, or triangles, to create visual interest.
Thanks for watching.
Damn.
Don't forget to subscribe.